Hi everyone. So today I'm going to do a short demo on how to use the prompts that we have been working on to create the one of the demo. So just to recap, you have the prompt playbook, and in the playbook you've been going through and you did the why, the who, the how, the what, the form, and then the feel. And so throughout the workshop, you basically have been capturing the outcomes of each of these exercises. And it may take a little bit, but you want to get a prompt that you can use in Lovable that basically summarizes everything that we have went through. And for all intents and purposes, it's 1 to 2 sentences that you can put into Lovable for your first demo. So I'm going to take my prompt. And the approach that we're using today is only with the prompt. So just as a summary, Movie Magic is the application that I'm working on. This is obviously the first generation. And so the focus is families wasting time arguing over what to watch. Lila, a busy mom, wants a quick, fun way to pick movies, discover trending titles, and browse trailers and filters, and then choose confidently, including a search bar, slide in filters, genre, year, rating for the filters, and then playful movie cards. My musts are filters, my should are AI matches, my coulds are mood suggestions, and now I'm going to give it the instruction to build a clickable, fun, testable prototype. So this will take a few minutes to populate. In the left panel on the top, you will see the prompt that I just created. Lovable is currently thinking, and so it gives you a timestamp, and it goes through after you provide the prompt and breaks down what it's going to create. So here it just says, I'll create a beautiful movie discovery app that solves the family movie selection dilemma. This evokes the magic of cinema with Netflix style browsing, but more playful and family focused. The design inspiration will be cinema aesthetics with deep blues, golden highlights, and smooth card-based interfaces like modern streaming platforms. First version features are going to be a search bar for quick movie lookup, which is my must-have, trending movie showcase, which is my could have or should have, and then interactive movie cards with posters and ratings, and my slide-in filter panel, genre, year, and rating, and then responsive family-friendly design. So that it breaks down the features based on my must, should, and could, and it does leave out the would. It gives me some design elements, which are my colors, the gradients, animations, which will be like smooth card hovers and filter transitions, topography, and then it says, let me build this step by step, starting with the design system. Now let me update this tailwind configuration and create the main components. Now let me create the components, and I'll start with generating a hero image and then create the movie discovery interface. So as it is processing the prompt, it basically is breaking down what it's going to build. Next, it says, now let me create the main index page with all of the components and mock data. And it is still thinking, sorry, that was my puppy. He heard someone outside. Sorry about that. So it does take a few minutes to process and build this out. And now it says, let me create the main index page with all the components and the mock data. Finally, let me update the meta tags for better SEO. Perfect. I'll create the movie magic, a beautiful family movie discovery app that solves the decision fatigue problem. Key features implemented: a search functionality, slide in filter panel, interactive movie cards, trending movie section for quick recommendation, responsive design and optimized for devices, design highlights, which are the cinema-inspired color palette and the deep blues, golden accents, rich purples, smooth animations, and hover accents, professional backgrounds, and then card-based layout in cinema. So if we take a step back and take a look at what we have on the home page here. We have the header, the search bar, we have some filters, trending now. We have some video reels, which will give a nice little highlight. We've got ratings, and then we have a filtering system, which basically breaks down the movie types. Obviously, you can see from here, like the photos need to be replaced. There's a lot of dummy photos in here and imagery that needs to be updated. And let's go here. And we have a nice filtering system, which breaks down the movies by genre. Then we have the release year and the minimal ratings, which if we mess around with this a little bit, no movies found. Okay, and then let's clear all filters. So basically, I'm going to say, please refine each card with a new movie photo and build out. Okay, so I'm basically going to give it the instruction. So please refine each movie card with a new photo and build out new photo on the home page and build out the AI quizzes. If you remember my early prompt, and mood, AI mood. So basically my primary features, AI mood suggestions, and the movie detail page. So it basically is thinking through some of the changes that I just requested. I'll refine the movie cards with the proper poster images and build out the AI features in the detail page. Files to create generated movie poster images for each film, AI quiz component for movie recommendations, AI mood suggestion components, movie detail page with full information and updated routing for detailed page, enhanced movie data structure. So it will take a few minutes to process this and push it a little bit farther. Now it is basically updating the movie data with the new poster images and enhanced information. Okay, so based on that last modification, it's now starting to build out the movie cards themselves. It's a little bit more realistic. These are not functional, so like the videos don't work at this time. And let me create the AI component quiz. So it's going through and processing and building out each feature and then each page. And so you want to keep going back and providing more detail. Because we are working on the free account, please keep in mind this is based on credits. you have I forget the exact number of credits. You should be able to build out a non-functional demo. And depending on how far you push it, you will have to upgrade at some point. And I'll let Istvan speak to that in just a minute. Okay, let me update the routing in the main index page to include the new AI features. So in the left panel, it's basically providing a summary of what it is doing, how it's doing it, and then you have the ability to keep modifying it and perfecting it and making it better. Okay, let's see what the revisions are. So in this revision, it provided the toolbar in the middle of the page. So the primary feature is the search, being able to type in quickly what you're looking for. And then you have this tab. So you have the discover, which is basically how these cards are organized. You also have the AI quiz, which allows you to select movies based on your mood. It just gives you some different features and functionality than the standard way of streaming and picking movies. So before clicking on these, I just kind of want to see what we have here. So what is our current mood? I'm excited for adventure. Um, how much time do you have? I want a quick watch under an hour and 45 minutes. And then who's watching it? I'm going to just say family with young kids. And what genre sounds appealing? So I'm just going to say action and adventure. And what's most important to you? So amazing visuals, great characters, catchy music, meaningful story. So we're going to say great characters. So based on the quiz, it provided some recommendations for different movies that we could watch. You could take the quiz again if you don't like the features, obviously, because we put children were in the mix. We got some family movies here. And then let's tab over to the mood. So here's an interesting way to pick movies, which are how are you feeling today? Let AI suggest the perfect movies based on your current mood. So you have happy and upbeat. There are 4 movies. You have adventurous, which is action-packed adventures and heroic journeys. And there's 4 movies to choose from. Then you have cozy and comfort, warm and comforting stories, and perfect for relaxing. There's 3 movies there. And then you also have some other categories like the emotional journey, high energy, magical, dreamy, and nostalgic. So I'm going to go for adventurous because that's kind of the theme that we're going in. And it selects a couple of different movies, pretty quick and easy to identify. Obviously, when I click on a movie, it provides the detail of the specific movie, gives me a little bit more um, detail about the movie itself. This is not functional yet. When I clicked on the watch now, I could add it to a watch list. It gives me a quick rundown of the movie. I could go back. And then the last is all of the movies. So if I kind of go through, this gives me a quick, easy way of navigating and filtering movies, picking movies based on emotion or mood, um, having the ability to go through a quiz and then maybe some quick suggestions pop up. But here is our first prototype. And now I'm going to turn it over and let you take it over from here and build your own V1 in Lovable. Turn the recording off. See you soon.